Krups F203 electric spice and coffee grinder with stainless steel blades, 3 ounce. Black. Grind whole coffee beans quickly and efficiently with this powerful Krups coffee grinder, a nice alternative to pre-ground coffee. Brewing freshly ground beans promotes maximum rich aroma and delicious full-bodied flavor for better tasting coffee when making any type of coffee drink. From simple drip to espresso and cappuccino, grinding beans right before brewing is a must for any true coffee lover. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale, and it's easy with the Krups coffee grinder. Simply add whole beans, secure the lid, and press the side lid button to start. Grind for a few seconds, or a few seconds more, depending on desired consistency. From coarse to fine, the oval-shaped grinder offers a large 3-ounce capacity, while its precision stainless steel blades ensure even results. For safety, the blades won't spin without the lid securely in place. In addition to coffee beans, the versatile grinder can be used for chopping or grinding nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, perfect for everything from summer salads and gourmet entrees to yummy baked goods. Compact and sleek looking, the Krups coffee grinder makes a convenient and useful addition to any kitchen. The product can only work on 120 volts per US standard. Body material plastic. Always unplug the coffee grinder before cleaning it. Make sure the coffee grinder, the power cord, and the plug stay dry. Do not use harsh detergents or abrasive scouring pads to clean the appliance. Power 200 watts. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Oval blade shape for uniform, even grinding. Number 2. Large grinding capacity yields up to 12 cups of coffee. Number 3. Versatile unit grinds all kinds of dry spices. Number 4. Lid activated safety switch. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.